Thank you for joining us. It's a beautiful morning, and we are sure it's going to be a very high intensity game. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Out come the openers, cheered by a good crowd in. No one at fine leg. Bowler needs to stay away from the pads. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Good shot for a single. Good game awareness. He was covering the throw well. Change in angle, bowler coming over the wicket. Missing his line there, wide signalled. Well, the captain has been very smart with his bowling changes. Played into the gap, should be able to run two here. Excellent running between the wickets. Beautiful shot by the batsman. That's for more. He's not going to miss out on those. Turned away for a single. Decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Very good running between the wickets. Nobody's chasing that. That's going to be a terrific four. Mid-off in place. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Gone, bowled the right length and found the edge. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. They wanted to hit that ball up and over. Smart bowling according to the field set. Long leg in place. Expect some chin music from the bowler. Tremendous hit this. That's a crowd catcher. That's a six. Batsman all set to cash in on this free hit. Good catch, but of a free hit though. Change in angle, bowler coming over the wicket. Good shot for a single. He really had to reach for the ball to collect it. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Good shot for a single. Oh, he's thrown it wide. Mid on in place. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Turned away for a single. Change in angle, bowler coming over the wicket. Shot, that's an excellent cricket shot. He gets 4 for it. Will he take him on again? Let's see. Very good running between the wickets. Wow, that was a really wide throw. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Well, that is glorious, absolutely glorious, perfect timing. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favorite players. Well, the batsman sees that one early, gets into a great position, got it from the meat of the bat. Spinner back, I think that's a good move. Well placed into the gap, possible too. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Well, he has to bowl that one again. Slim pickings at the moment. The batsmen need to up the gear a bit. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Played into the gap, should be able to run two here. Good shot for a single. Turned away for a single. The captain would definitely feel let down by the effort. Fielders are expected to support the bowler. Need to keep things really tight. Spinner brought back from the other end. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Well placed into the gap, possible too. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Good shot for a single. Oh, has he got him? Oh, that doesn't look like a good call. And yes, that's run out. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. The fielder knew exactly which end to throw. The batsman must be kicking himself after that run out. Oh, he has put that down. He'd be disappointed with himself there. The bowler is looking furious. There's a short ball coming. Four runs, plays into the gap fabulously. He's not going to miss out on those. Good stop. Saves a certain boundary. The bowler has overstepped. No ball. Get ready for the free hit now. Oh, that's a good connection from the batsman. That's what you call a long distance deposit. Last ball coming up. Turned away for a single. End of the first inning. Won't be long before we resume this thrilling contest. The fielding side looks warmed up. Pace bowler into the attack. There must be some nerves as the well, that is glorious, absolutely glorious, perfect timing. That ball deserved a boundary. The batting team is managing a good run rate, that's for sure. Couldn't time that well as you would have liked. Looks like he enjoys space on the ball. Looks more confident when there's space on the ball. Muscle, a magnificent shot for four. That's an amazing shot. Beautiful timing. Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman. What a peach of a delivery. That could have troubled most. He's too good a player not to take advantage of anything loose. Good placement by the batsman. He should be looking for some runs here. I tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. Well bowled, past the edge of the bat. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Dropped. That could have been a crucial wicket, but the fielder couldn't hold on to it. There is a little bit on the surface for the bowlers. It's also good for batting. Beauty from the bowler, zips past the edge. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Good shot for a single. 4 runs, plays into the gap fabulously. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favorite players. That's a beautiful shot, and in the gap too. He's not going to miss out on those. Well, the batsman sees that one early, gets into a great position, got it from the meat of the bat. Plenty happening out there. Fielding captain needs to calm his bowlers down before the umpire interferes. Struck beautifully, terrific shot that. Lovely timing, ball hitting the sweet spot. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. And the batting power play comes to an end. Easy enough for the batsman to play for a single or a 2 if they run well. Lucky not to have conceded more runs. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Picked and deposited out of the park for a 6. That's a clean strike. He has hit that exactly where he wanted to. I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. He didn't get any timing on that one. Good backing up by the fielder. Shows how involved he is in the game.
That's good, pal.
Beautiful bowling, hitting the right legs. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Confident appeal. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. The batsman must be kicking himself after that run out. Glorious, absolutely glorious. Gorgeous shot, found the middle of the bat there. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. Good shot for a single. Oh, that must be out. Fantastic work by the fielder. That's a close one. Decision goes to the third umpire. And yes, he gets his man. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. Good bowling, it beats him all, ends up. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Shouts of catch it, but nobody will. That's 6 runs. He looks in good touch. That's a beauty. The batsman had to play at that one. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. He didn't get any timing on that one. That's an excellent throw. I tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. Good bowling, it beats them all, ends up. Pace bowler into the attack. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. Oh, that's a good delivery, right on the money. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Beautiful placement. He knows exactly where the fielders are. That's an amazing shot. Beautiful timing. Very important to keep wickets in. They'll have that security. He didn't get any timing on that one. Well, the captain has been very smart with his bowling changes. Shouts of catch it, but nobody will. That's 6 runs. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Wow, that is extraordinary. That's a magnificent hit for a 6. This has been an impressive performance. They got just about everything right today.